Now in this technique, I used the same inks that I used in the modern alcohol drop, but did not use isopropyl alcohol on top so that I could get that amazing blooming effect of the alcohol. Once you've dropped your next color, allow that to dry so that the middle is completely dry. I say wait about 30 seconds, then place your gold foil on top. The ring should still be a little wet so that the foil can stick. You may need to burnish it a bit on that ring, and the ring ledge should be able to show through so you can use the blunt end of your paintbrush to help burnish the foil in. I did find that there was a small window for you to accomplish this. In my experience, and after several attempts, I either waited too long for the middle to dry, thus preventing any foil from attaching, to not waiting long enough, and the middle of the circle would be ruined by the foil. Again, this is where the trial and error comes in.